everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie, and today we're gonna be making celery juice, and I'm gonna show you two ways. One is in a traditional juicer, and the other is in a blender. So let's get started, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified of all the new videos. Let's go. So I like to use an Omega juicer to make my fresh celery juice. And what I did was start with 2 big bunches of celery that I washed and chopped into stalks. And then I just run them through my Omega juicer, and that's how I get the fresh celery juice. It's ideal to serve the juice on the same day that you make it, but you can always store any excess juice in a tightly sealed container in the refrigerator and enjoy it up to about 24 hours after you've made it. Now, in order to make celery juice without a juicer, we're going to use a high-speed blender and just a little bit of water. And so what we'll do is add the celery stalks to the high-speed blender and then add just about 1/3 of a cup of water. Now blend on high for about a minute until the celery is all mixed in with the water and blended really well. Next, we're going to use a clean nut milk bag that I've put over a pitcher, and we'll pour our celery and water mixture through the nut milk bag and press it through so we just have the juice. So in this way, you have 2 ways to make celery juice, either in a juicer or a blender. Cheers.